For those who call themselves Nigerians. Aso Rock is on fire. Who they burn them? No be Fulani. Then go destroy all the documents. After some time, then go tell you, say, then go want to rebuild them with the $66 billion. Then go carry money, go they build Niger. They don't dig pipe from Niger Delta to Niger. No road for you. No hospital for you. No education, no school. No, nothing. You get nothing. Yet you are happy. Because na Fulani. If you talk, imagine say na Igbo man, na did that shit. Hey, na there where you go know say, dog will speak grammar in Nigeria. Na there where you go know say all the cows sabi know how to write English, know how to speak grammar, know how to do video. Now, una fit do video, condemn waiting Fulani they do. You fit? You don't go fit now. Nine make we be Igbo. The nine make, that is why we are too strong. Now that gift where God give us, now where would they do the video? Fulani no go do nothing. But we are so scared. When this war is over now, hey, you see them, they go jump up. If Igbo man cough, hey, you don't cough. Igbo man do this one, hey, you don't do this one. Why the hatred where when I hate Igbo people? Now so they go some part of Igbo land, they divide them. They divide them, then they say they be Niger Delta. They be Niger Delta. Now so they do. Then they say that Niger Delta they be. They no be Igbo. So make Igbo one dominate you. Make you no near them. Now who they kill you? Na Fulani. Na Igbo man they kill you so. The whole of Niger Delta, the whole oil. Who they take them? Igbo man get any single oil well there. Now the same people where they deceive you, now then they kill you. Now, waiting at the talk, be say, you where they hate Igbo man, make you hate us well. Oh. Because I know, say, when this war is over now, history, when I go begin the right, Aso Rock born so yeah, na Igbo man put the fire. That's also this one, na Igbo man cause am. War start, na Igbo man. Like the way we wanna blame Ojukwu. Ojukwu was fighting for you, fighting for everybody, to restructure Nigeria. Una no agree. When I say they deceive una, then I say, hey, name bring a war. They want to divide Nigeria. Waiting Fulani they do now, you never reach to divide Nigeria. Make everybody go their way. You never reach. Aso Rock they burn now. Put the fire there. Nigeria is finished. When Aso Rock don't burn, it means Nigeria don't scatter everything. All the documents, everything is finished. You let everybody go their way. You know what the documents when they burn there? When they don't steal money, they go disappear. This one steal, you go disappear. This one steal money, disappear. They say you don't die. This one steal, you don't disappear. You no go hold anybody now. You cannot hold anybody. They go bring new Fulani. That one go come do it own, disappear. This one come, disappear. All of them look, they look them. You call yourself Nigeria. Tomorrow you go say you go school. You know how to speak grammar. Are you not a fool? Idiot. Mugu. You are a fool. If you call yourself Nigeria and you see all these things going on, you are keeping quiet. You are an animal. Zombie is better than you. Tomorrow you go come the brag. Say you be somebody, you be nothing. You are nothing. Even common video, do video, condemn what your so-called Nigerian government is doing. You cannot do anything. Come on to protest, you don't feel protest. Then they turn on our brain upside down every time. Now only where they get power, now where don't see Igbo man. Igbo. If those, the time when good luck Jonathan, when he not the Igbo, only saying just put some few Igbo there where they rule, where they govern with him. Now so hatred everywhere, corruption, everywhere don't scatter. Now waiting they happen now. Imagine the plan of Tinubu and the Buhari government. Imagine say Buhari no disappoint Tinubu. Imagine waiting Igbo people for see for Nigeria. Then I God they save us. They for roast us like fire, like a yam. Now Fulani don't disappoint everybody. Now we wanna know say you don't read. Yeah, people. Una where they hate us, make una hate well. See people where they destroy Nigeria, don't know if you do anything. Tomorrow now the history go carry them turn them upside down. Go to Channel TV. See where they go do interview. All those people where they work for in Channel TV. Now when they see Igbo people, you know, there where you go no say they sabi ask questions. Even they go ask them the day where they born them, ask them the kind of food where their mama they eat. But immediately when Fulani come there, then they ask them minor questions. Minor questions. You never even ask them. They know they ask them any question. They always they defend Fulani because they need the money. They need money. Wicked people. Now we dey here. We and Dona, we go tear them rich ground. He the craze. Make I hear him anywhere where you dey say Igbo man, I hear him. You dey my corner. One day you are gone. Your own is finished. Because see people full anyway they destroy your so-called Nigeria. You know if you talk. Now where una see Igbo people, now there where una no say una sabi speak English. Now there where una want go bring una hatred. Say Igbo people. Then they do what? Then they say fake. Then they do this one. Do what in Nigerian government they do you now? No be fake. Abracadabra. No be what they do you. Tomorrow I say Igbo man they go China go bring fake. If they go there go bring fake. If they bring fake pass. If they do this one. Why they don't go give you fake? If you build anyone. You went to school in Cambridge and whatever. What do you learn there? Can you build anyone? The even fake one you cannot manufacture. Are you not happy that you see somebody who gave you fake product? Without that fake product, can you do anything? Useless people. I hate this anybody who call himself Nigeria, honestly. Because you guys are sick. Nonsense, useless idiots. Tomorrow you go see yourself. Everything that joke in Nigeria food now. Anything where you come. See this as rock where they born now. Small time now you go see them on Facebook or they go use them as a joke. They go use them as a joke. Instead of you to open your dirty mouth and speak nonsense where they go on in there, you are so-called country. Useless people. One Nigeria, my food. Now joke, make una begin they put up for YouTube. Joke, everything joke. You they die, you they joke with your life. Put them on Facebook, begin the joke. Instead of you to challenge the monsters where they destroy your life, you are there making joke of your life, of yourself. Dala.